Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about SafeMoon. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of the SafeMoon. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. SafeMoon holders, wake up, it's time to make a profit. And absolutely this video is a special message for all SafeMoon holders. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. The current price of the SafeMoon in the market is $0.000002 is the currently latest price of the SafeMoon. And on the other side, if we talk about the price changes over the SafeMoon, so now the last 1 hour changes is a negative, the last 1 day change, 1 week change is also negative. Just my friends, the last 1 day, I mean the yesterday changes is positive. Just the yesterday changes is positive. And let me show you the price chart of the SafeMoon. Oh, SafeMoon is now trending in the market. I think you can see absolutely a massive gains occurred by SafeMoon. That is just last 2 hours update and positive 1.39%. The price increase $0.00002 is the current price of the SafeMoon in the market. My friends, you know what? SafeMoon is going positive. Now, for possibilities that they will make you millionaire, we can't say about the future, my friend. But my special message for everybody is that please buy more and more SafeMoon. Buy more and more SafeMoon. That is my message for everybody. And I also recommending for everybody, especially a lot of people also ask me this type question, that what is the best coin to buy in the August. It is the beginning of a new month. Possibility that the price will explode and they will give you profit. So buy now SafeMoon. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about SafeMoon? Also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.